Recently, I was with Sheikh Omar in a program together, Sheikh Omar Suleiman, and we were talking about the Islamic activists and everything, and he said something, I couldn't believe it. And he said, it's real. In these marches, the Washington March, the 400,000, almost a million people went out, and he said, I was there, and all this youth activists, and I hear all this foul language coming from the youth activists. And he looked at them and says, and he quoted the hadith, ليس المؤمن بطعان ولا لعان ولا فحاش ولا بذيء لسان ولا صخاب في الأسواق. The believer is not a person who does or speaks immorality or obscenity, not. So if I am fasting, this is what the hadith look at. Now you're looking at the inner. If you're not going to change the way you speak and the way you deal with people, Allah doesn't need your hunger and fast. SubhanAllah. فليس لله حاجة. Allah doesn't need you to feel hungry.